Hi folks, thanks for tuning in. I've had some questions recently about floral welding, and it's not the most common type of welding, so I thought I'd just put together a quick video to show you how to do it. It's actually pretty standard. I've got the bouquet I want to weld mounted to the piece of metal. I have a clamp to ground the workpiece as usual, and I'm using a gasless flux core wire 0.035, and I have the upper power setting selected. So let's go ahead and do it. So as you can see, it's a pretty standard weld, and it works with a charm. Thanks for tuning in.